index.html in your Ajax folder. Start from HTML. It we can follow style link rel. Style set href based css boot strap bootstrap.css. Okay, hope you follow the bootstrap.css file. After that, we'll create a body here. Under body, we can use container. Under body, you can write class equal to bg primary. Then you can create here a container. Vehicle class equal to container 24, 23. You can write use a row class row. Okay. Call hyphen lg hyphen 3. Inside the 3 we can write h1 index text hyphen center and text hyphen white. Okay. Next we have a 9. Next we have 9. Inside the 9 we will keep text hyphen end button division btn hyphen group button open call home about contact having something home services. These two are a static file. JSON1, JSON2, JSON3, JSON4. For all you can use the class btn hyphen light. btn light. Okay, hope ready. Run this file. Blue background, buttons will be on the top. So whoever have joined late, this will go to the Ajax folder. This will go to the Ajax folder. Bootstrap dist folder you keep inside. Keep some photo, create a file for index, and then start working. Index file I'm sharing in the chat. Or let me share you complete Ajax folder itself. Ajax folder will come to your chat. Take 2-3 minute time, download it, extract it, start working on that. Hope downloaded. You came for something? Yeah. For? Can I come in? Come. Came for some inquiry or something else? You came for some inquiry. Yeah. Okay, you can sit there. Counselor will come in 5-10 minutes. We can discuss. That's it. Outside there is a place no on reception. Okay, so hope ready. Page look like this. Come inside now. After this container, create another container. After this container, create another container. Class equal to container bg white, and inside that we will be doing something. You can write here a style equal to height, mean height give 450 or 400 pixel. Right, minimum height how much? 400, and the bg white. So that look like this. Let me keep as a container float FLUID. How much is going to cover? Container float. Container float is covering full width, so it's look good. Use the container float and give minimum height somewhere 450, or depends. You can give more also. Give minimum height 450. You can give more also. Minimum height 450. Become little big height. Now come there. After this, you create the next division. Class equal to container inside that you will follow text white, text center, and text white, text center, text white. Inside division you will follow class equal to row, division you will follow wall hyphen sg hyphen 12. In the paragraph you will write there ASYNRONOU, which is synchronous Java script and XML. Check now. Not coming. Okay. Let me save it first. Uh-huh. Yes. Yes, yes, tell me. Okay. You have not received the call yesterday. She will call you again today. Like they have called you, you have not picked the call. Again, they will call you today in 10 to 10 minutes. PT5 look like this. Now page design something like this or different. Okay. Now Ajax meaning is what? Ajax meaning is what? We have used the fetch function if you remember. Fetch function we remember. Using the fetch function, we were reading the data from other source. Using the fetch function, we were reading the data from other source without reloading the page. Like suppose when we click on JSON one, here data will come from somewhere else and it will display here. We will be always on index page only. That was under the fetch function. Fetch function is your API function. Using that, you can communicate between the front end to back end. You can get the data from the back end. You can send the data to back end. Similar way, we have one more feature called Ajax. It is called asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Asynchronous word defined, your page is not going to reload at all. Your page will be completely constant, and in asynchronous way, without reloading the page, internal communication will happen and data will be sent to the backend and data will come from the backend. Okay. Their JavaScript code is going to play the major important role. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap as usual, whichever design you want to do design, but communication will happen between JavaScript to backend using JavaScript code. Okay, so there we have to use some predefined codes are there. We will take that and integrate that, and we will customize according to our further need. Okay, so we'll come back to the our code here, and the middle container you have given minimum height 500. You have to give an ID for this. ID equal to something Ajax data, Ajax data, Ajax data. Hmm. Page meaning page will not reload. Synchronous meaning page will reload. Asynchronous means page will not reload. Synchronous were defined when the data communication happens from the backend to frontend, page must get reload. But asynchronous were defined when the communication happens between frontend to backend, your page will not reload, and without reloading the page, content maybe you can send and content maybe you can receive. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead. Hope we wrote id equal to ajax. Now come here, we have multiple buttons. On each button click, we have to call a different function. On click, call the function 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4, function 5, function 6, so ready. Now create a next file, ajax.js. A script is equal to ajax.js. We have to create a next file called ajax.js. Okay, next after that, we have created the file ajax.js. Go to the ajax.js file. Write a function1 document dot get element by id, which id ajax data dot inner html equal to h2 welcome home, close the h2. Function2 is our services. Now click on both the button, first and second. Anything is happening or not? Button click, the content should change. Reload the page, home, welcome home, our services. But this is coming directly from the JavaScript file. It has to come from the different file. We have to create two files, home.html, service.html. Then we have to write the Ajax code. Then through the live server, we have to run the page. Then data will come here from other pages. She is coming, sir. Okay. Only 10:30 they will be coming. 10:30 onwards the counselor. 5 minutes maybe she will reach. No, she has not come still. Okay. Next after that we can come inside. Create two files. One file home.html, another file service.html. Create two files home.html and one more file service.html. home.html and service.html. Create two files in the same folder. These two files are not completed.
Yes.
Keywords. How? All three. Okay, so two files are ready. Home plus service. In home file, what we have written? Have you used bootstrap class or how is it? Home file, you can start with the division. Class equal to row. Then follow a division. Class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 12. Right inside h3. Class equal to yes. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Resumes, right? Within 10 minutes it will continue. See Ram. I have informed to the HR. See, text has been planned. Now, last when the market has opened last 10-15 days, the requirement got increased suddenly. Suddenly, in the sense, that person is waiting for that Python class. One US person is there. Okay, anything, discuss with Tapan.
Okay.
And anyhow, ask him to take his class. They are depending on us only. They have 1 month time.
Sir, I told them Wednesday I did the class.
No, just ask the Tapan to take the time sometime and start. At least one person is there, he will take, we will talk to him for I have sent you 5 resumes of these people. Okay. In that 5 resumes, just take the print first.
Printer.
Yeah, print out. Take the print first and then give one set to me. 2 sets you have to take the print. One set to give to me, separate all. One set to give to these people. Okay, how many? 5 are there inside. 6 or 5 are there. No, 5.
Whoever did it.
That I have sent to you. Okay, and remaining one set we need to send to that company. Immediately call this now.
Hard copy or
Soft copy, soft
soft
copy.
copy?
That email he has sent me. So I will send you. Just send me the take the print and check one name wise. It should not be because I have made a modification in the resume. Okay, so once we need to go through that. Okay, checking that like maybe in their resume my name should not be there. In the formal resume, the Mona name should not be there. I have made some resume changes in there. Okay, so just have a look once after printing. Give one set to them to see once if anything wrong, name and all anything, education wise. Give one set to me, and then within 5 minutes we need to send us to that company. He will be taking interview today between 12 to 2. Hmm? Okay, so home file is ready. Which file you want to see that? Ajax file. See the Ajax file. Ajax file is this file. I will share the code. See, teaching is the one platform, and after injecting the knowledge in huge competition, huge competitive market, finding a suitable profile for a person is another difficult task. Understood or not? In that also, diplomatically through different way, we need to manipulate to the companies, and then we need to send our people. At least people should get chance. So this will start the career. Night till 2 o'clock, I have modified 6 people resume. I created again from beginning. They have sent the resume here, there, something. Okay, hope you saw that. The function one, function two, I have shared in the chat. Now welcome file we have written. Come inside. Go here. Use the text center class for the row label. Text hyphen center. Text center. Inside that, write something. Now copy this, paste again. Yeah, hope ready. Home file. In home file again, come down. After this row, create another row there. Call hyphen create another row. Empty 4 you can write. Give inside a division. Call hyphen sg hyphen 3. Keep inside one image. imgsrc equal to 1.jpg class equal to 1.jpg class equal to img hyphen load. This you will repeat total 2, 3, 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Only wait for 5 minutes. I will guide you.
Okay, sir.
So written this. So home file is ready. HOMA home. Now one more file is there. Which file? Service. Yes. Let's go ahead. Same content paste in service file also. Same content paste in service file also. In that, the 12 you have given. First change is our services. Our services. The 12 you have given. 12. 12 you convert into 9. 12 you have given. First 12 convert into 9. Okay, I hope 9 converted. The last row what we have created, you cut from here, paste inside the 9 only, paste inside the 9, paste inside the 9, right? Now before 9, create a 3, division, before 9, create a 3, and inside 3, follow the list group and display somewhere 10 service name. Follow the list group. Remember list group option class. In Bootstrap we have a class for list group. Using the list group and list group item, display here some 10 option, or maybe under the 3 display the contact details. Create a block, display the contact details, name, email, city, pin code, office details. Better display in the 3 as office details. Inside the 3, display the office details. Ready? 3 9 combination is ready. First is a row. Inside the row we have 3, and then you have what? 9. Inside the 9 paragraph you have printed. Below you kept again row. Now under the first 3, display the, give the heading called office address, and below display the something, pin code, city, company name, something. Okay, try that. You are in the laptop, Poli. What's the name? Suresh Poli or something. Some name is showing for you. Sesu. You write a name called Sesu. You are in the laptop or mobile? How you are logging in the laptop? Login in laptop. In mobile, there is no way to help you. Log out from the mobile and log in laptop.
Okay, sir.
Hope service page is ready. In 3, what we displayed? Anyone can you share me the code? I've asked you to display some address in the left side. Call LG3. Share which code you have written in the left side. Any content you have written in the left side, you can share that content. Okay, so till here it's ready. Next, after that, come to the Ajax file. This is the function where we have to change the content. Okay, so we'll go to the internet and we'll search one line called PHP Ajax sample code. Search PHP Ajax sample code. Hope ready to search on internet. PHP Ajax sample code. W3 will open. We'll click on W3 school link. Click on the link. You are in the laptop now. Sesupoli.
Yes, sir.
Wait 2 minutes. Let me complete this task. Then I'll guide you.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Yes, hello. बोलिए. बाद में कॉल कीजिए, अभी बिजी है थोड़ा. Call me 1 o'clock. I will guide you. I'm in class now. I'll guide you 1:30. You can call me. Call me at 1:30.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Sesupoli, not for you. Yeah. Someone else has called me. Calls. See how people are like without brain. Suppose if you call someone not picking the call, they will keep continuous calling 20 times. Okay, so come down. This page is open. Come below. Now see there is a drop down here. Change any name from here. Right? Change any name from here. As soon as you change the name, can you see here? Change the name from here. You will see as soon as you change. Right? As soon as you change. Value is getting changed. That is happening using Ajax. Without reloading the page, it's calling the data from the server and it's sending you the content. We want also similar functionality. Once we click on button, then the content should change in our project. When we go here, click on button, the content should get changed. So what we will do, we will take this sample code, 3 lines. 2 lines of sample code is there. I will explain this. Copy the else part. Copy the else part. Copy the else part, and after calling the else part, come to the only else part you are going to copy, not everything. While copying properly, you copy. Okay, copy this much. After that, we'll go to this function. Name wise is correct.
So everything is fine, but some things are missing. Therefore, there is no personal details.
Leave that.
And so should we go and observe both the residence alignments of
Align.
no, sir.
Hmm.
You can check one. So, the footer, the header is coming down. And alignment is somewhere. But the button, radio button is somewhere like that. It's hiding everything. It's not proper. Then after the design or something, no.
Hmm.
On about
We'll send same only. So content wise alignment, no problem.
like, so you can check one because your header is coming down and in the page and some second page details are at the third page and second page is done. That's a problem for students. And observe only the circle is more little left side. Right side.
Just look at here, no? I have one copy. So
And the mail which you have sent me is
then which is wrong, going wrong. So when those,
Surrender.
but it was converted from Word to PDF, PDF to Word, right?
No, sir, it is everything is in Word only.
But he has given in the PDF format. That was the wrong. So now we will ask him to convert into Word and give.
Hmm.
Here, let's say, let it run this. There's a one.
Yes, sir. But for me, it is completely changed. This can you send me once again, sir? Here it is alignment is perfect.
Give their copy of the printer. There's a three you have given, right?
3 is perfect.
Those you have not taken the print.
No, sir. Not that. Because when I'm taking out, it is showing.
Okay. No problem. Give this three to them. This three I will send. The remaining will modify and will send in 10 minutes. Okay, so what we did in this function, we pasted that code. After pasting that code, this you will say how I will remember it. Definitely, it is not very difficult. Plus, it's a little big words also. You can remember, may not remember. People who has made the example, they have kept on internet many places. In case if anyone is not able to remember, we can take from internet also. It's not bad if you take from internet. Implementation is required. We need to know how to implement it. Okay, because every code we cannot remember. Okay, now come to the hope ready. Now come down there. You can write here. First, we need to modify this bottom line. Bottom line we need to modify. We want to call here home dot html home.html file we need to call, and from home.html whatever the content will come, that content has to go to ajax data, ajax data, ajax data, ajax data. Modify this two line. Hope written. Now what will happen, as soon as we call this function will send a request to home.html file, and from home.html file, whichever the content will come, it will capture under this variable response text, and from response text you are sending to ajax data. From response text you are sending to ajax data. Save now, and after that we will see how to run it. Okay, save the file. Now copy the same thing, paste in this second block also, and change the file name as a service. Service. Change the file name as a service.html. Okay, service.html. Only file name.
Now, in the class, it is one properly. But making them convert the margin and more, so it's not very properly. Not this one. This is a mistake for Mona.
I have modified.
Here it is mentioned 18 to 20, 20, 2 years experience in different domains.
Yes.
So here we have mentioned 2 years experience.
No problem. This is actual experience. This is the relevant experience.
Yes, sir.
We have not counted this.
2020, she was until November.
Yes,
So
yes.
November is 2021. So 2021, 2022. So 1.4 on the condenses. We have mentioned 2.4. And here we have mentioned 1.6.
Where?
So that previous experience is 2018 August to November 2020. In that case, if we are neglecting this 2020, in 2021 onwards, our recent relevant experience is starting. So 2021 November is January to 2022 January is 1 year, and June, March, April, May, June, May. So 1.4 only coming. So here we have mentioned 2.4, and here we have mentioned 1.6. This class.
This is 1.6 in this project.
Okay, sir, but 2.4 years
I
experience.
believe that. Let him to call back. We'll discuss. Once you will come in, call, then we'll discuss. You'll say there is some problem. Yes.
She told me.
I have said already. We cannot modify.
When I'm taking the printout of student and downloading the alignment is proper. But when I'm taking the printout, the margin I have no this side and some.
You will also see of the soft copy only. You will take the hard copy.
Okay, sir. So can I send that to those two people mail and ask them to check once? Is that fine, sir?
I will explain to what's her name, Mona.
Morning.
Okay, so hope you modify this. Now, how to run this file? If you run here, it will not work directly. If you click here, it will not work directly. Correct? Will it work here? No. So we have to go now, close this file from here, close everything from here. And after that, go to the Ajax folder, open the CMD, in that write code space dot enter, code space enter. Code space enter. VS Code is open. In VS Code now, click on index file, run through the live server. We remember how to run through live server? Now go here, do the right click, open with the live server, and then check it's working or not. Index file, do the right click, open with the live server, localhost 5500, index.html. Once you click on that buttons, Working. Cool. Somewhere my live server is little. Yeah, the service will load the service file. Home will load the home file. Right, coming. Okay, cool. Suresh, I will make you host. Please share your screen. I will guide you. Sasu is there. Yeah, I made you as a host. Share your screen quickly. Only hope you are there. You are the host now. Please share your screen. We'll guide you quickly.